Hello, coding family. Let's continue on with her question about the symbols for ICD-10. The Q in her second part of the question here after UPD, I wonder if that doesn't mean our little question mark with our blue dot box around it. So if we look at our description of the blue box with the question mark in it, it says that this would be considered a questionable admission when used as a principal diagnosis based off Medicare code edits. That just means that that particular diagnosis code is questionable for an admission as a primary diagnosis for that service. According to the policy, which is based off the ICD-10 manual and the CMS policy, questionable admission, principal diagnosis only codes are not sufficient justification for the admission to an acute care hospital. So, for example, if we look at E11.9, that particular ICD-10 code says type 2 diabetes without complications. And you can see that without complications and the patient was admitted to the hospital, if that's their primary and only diagnosis for that admission, how that would just go unpaid, because if the patient has type 2 diabetes without any complications, then why are they being admitted? So look out for that blue symbol, and with the question mark in the middle, that just means that that particular diagnosis cannot be the only reason for admission today. So I hope that explanation is super helpful for that description and is one of part of your questions that you needed answered. For this particular comment left on YouTube, I'm going to keep going through the symbols, but I hope this is super helpful for you guys. And please leave me a comment and give me a thumbs up if you think this is helpful, or let me know what you would like to see in my lives or in my lessons. Thanks, guys.